Good morning, student. We'll discuss lesson number 17, star and solar system, that is third video. In second video I told to you about constellation. Now we'll discuss next point, the solar system. Everybody open your page number 226, 17.4, the solar system. The solar system consists of which thing? Planet, comets, asteroid and meteors. Underline everybody, fourth line given. A large number of the bodies it consists of. One is the planets, comets, asteroid and meteors. Underline fast. Which force present in it, therefore they are not collide on each other? Gravitational attraction between the sun and these objects keep them revolving around it. Due to the gravitational force, when they are revolving, when they are rotating, but these are not collide on each other. Is it clear? The earth, everybody know that earth revolve around the sun, and it is also the member of solar system. It is also the one planet. How many planets are there? 7 other planets also revolve around the sun. The 8 planets in their order of the distance from here order given. Figure next page, figure 17.17. Everybody observe. In center which planets given? Sun. After sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All means here position of all planets given in figure 17.17. How many planets revolve? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 planets revolve around the sun. Is it clear? One by one we will discuss. First planet, the sun. Sun is the nearest star. Underline fast. Nearest star for us. Next, emitting huge amount of the light and heat. Next, almost all energy of the earth, means it is the source of energy. And last one, sun is the main source of heat, light for all the planets. How many important points I told to you about sun? Nearest star. Second one, emitting the huge amount of the light and heat. Next one, source of almost all energy on the earth. And last one, main source of the heat and light for all the planets. Those are the important points I am telling to you. Underline it. You have to underline and write 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. First, nearest. Second, heat and light huge amount. Third one, energy. And fourth one, it provide the heat and light for all the planet. Next we'll discuss planet in detail. These planets look like a star, but they do not have light of their own. Means we can easily write the difference between the star and planet. What is the first difference? Star, they have their own light, but planet don't have. Second one, they merely reflect the sunlight that fall on them. Can you distinguish between the planet and star? The next two differences given here. First difference, star twinkle, but planet do not twinkle. Is it clear? Next thing, the planets keep changing their position with respect to the star, but planet and star, that is the difference. Means one change their position, another never change the position. Planet change the position, but star always at a stationary. How many differences given here? 3. First difference about the light. Star have own light, planet don't have. Second difference, star twinkle, planet not twinkle. And third one, the planet changes their position with respect to the star, but star always stationary. Okay. Next thing, what is orbit? Each and every planet moves in a definite path which is revolve around the sun. This path is called as a orbit. Underline fast. Last para, page number 227. A planet has a definite path in which it revolve around the sun. This path is called an orbit. Okay. Next definition as it is given here. Underline fast. The time taken by a planet to complete one revolution is called period of revolution. What do you mean by the revolution? They are revolving around the sun, and when they are completing one revolution, it is called as a period of revolution. Whatever time they required, it is called as period of revolution. Next definition given in the book, period of rotation, on page number 228. What is the period of rotation? Underline first of all, planets also rotate on its own axis like a top. Right hand side given, figure 17.19. Above that figure already given here. Planets also rotate on its own axis, and the time taken by a planet to complete the one rotation around itself is called its period of rotation. What is the difference between the revolution and rotation? In revolution, in period of revolution, they are revolving around any object. And in period of rotation, they are rotate on its own axis. They are completing the one cycle, they are completing one rotation itself. It is called as period of rotation. That is the difference between the period of revolution and period of rotation. Is it clear? Some planets are known to have the moon and satellites revolve around them. Some celestial body, they are revolving around another celestial body. It is called as satellite, or it is also called as moon or satellite. Here activity 17.9 given. Activity 17.9 given means you have to go on playground. Figure 17.18 very nicely given. Planets move in their own orbit. One person's sun and different planets are there, and then they are moving. Why these are not colliding clockwise, otherwise anti-clockwise? We will find out the answer in every planet. Means orbit concept given here. They have a definite path, some gravitational attraction between that two objects, therefore they are not collide on each other. Is it clear? Then one by one we will discuss here. I told to you about the satellite. Some planets are known to have the moon or satellite. On page number 228 given, we will move towards the next page. Page number 229. About the earth given. About the earth means the, just wait. In earth concept, which thing given there? Earth. Earth have the which thing? First of all, I told about the sun to you. Then afterward, I told to you which concept? I told to you earth means here. First of all, revolution, rotation. Then about moon and satellite. Next concept, earth. Earth can be said to be a satellite of the sun. Generally, we call it the planet of sun. Underline fast. Planets of the sun. We use the term satellite for the bodies revolving around the planet. And which is the important sentence here? Moon is a satellite of the earth. Underline. Moon is a satellite of. I told to you, underline that sentence. Moon is a satellite of earth. Is it clear? Then next concept. What about the, which thing given here? About the artificial satellite. Some satellites man-made, which are also revolving around the earth, it is called as a artificial satellite. Those are the man-made, it is called as a artificial satellite. Which thing I told to you? About the planet, solar system, then sun, and then one by one we will discuss the planet. I am telling about the Mercury to you, and in the next video I am telling to you about the Venus and remaining planets. Underline fast. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. Next, smallest planet. Third one, observed just before sunrise or just after sunset near the horizon. Next, Mercury has no satellite of its own. How many characteristics I told about the Mercury to you? First one, nearest to the sun. Second one, smallest planet upper solar system. Third one, when it is visible just before sunrise or just after sunset near the horizon. And last one, Mercury has no satellite of its own. All these points important from the Mercury. Those are the important point I am telling to you. Next planet, Venus. Venus, underline fast, it is the nearest, means Earth nearest planet. Second one, brightest planet. Third one, when it appears in the eastern sky before sunrise, or it appears in the western sky just after sunset. Next point, it is also called as a morning or a evening star. Next, okay, underline properly. Next, Venus has a no moon or satellite. Next, it rotates from east to west. It rotates from east to west. And last characteristics, Venus shows phases like a moon. I am repeating one time. Venus, Earth nearest planet. Second one, brightest. Third, appears in the eastern sky before sunrise and in a western sky just after sunset. Next point, it is also called as a morning or evening star. Next point, Venus has a no moon. Next point, it rotates from east to west. And last point, it also shows the phases like moon. How many points I told to you? 4, then 5th, 6th, 7th. Exactly 7 points I told to you. If anybody will ask to you, write down the unique features of Venus. Then you have to write down first one, brightest planet. Second one, their rotation means it rotates from east to west. And last one, Venus shows phases like moon. Is it clear for everyone? I told information to you about the 2 planets. Then from the Earth we will continue in the next video. Thank you everyone.